Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KAS Tutorials. In my previous video, I have discussed about the topic fertilization and implantation. Today I am going to tell you about the topic pregnancy and embryonic development from the chapter human reproduction. So let's get started. Now what happens after implantation? Finger-like projections appears on the trophoblast. These projections are known as chorionic villi. Okay. Now these chorionic villi are surrounded by the uterine tissue and maternal blood. Okay. Now what happens? The chorionic villi and the uterine tissue jointly form structural and functional unit between developing fetus and maternal body. This structure is known as the placenta. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about the placenta. Now placenta facilitates the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the embryo. Okay. It also helps in the removal of carbon dioxide and waste products produced by the embryo. Okay. Now this placenta is connected by a umbilical cord which help in the transport of substances to and from the embryo. Got it? Now placenta also act as the endocrine tissue and give rise to several hormones like chronic human gonadotropin and chronic placental lactogen. In later phase of pregnancy, one hormone is also secreted by ovary known as the relaxin. Got it? Now these hormones, chronic human gonadotropin, chronic human placental lactogen and relaxin, they are produced in a woman during pregnancy only. Okay. Now in addition, other hormones like progesterone, estrogen, prolactin, thyroxine, cortisol, etc. increases and leads to the fold in the maternal blood. Got it? Now increased level in these hormones are essential for the fetal development, metabolic hormonal changes in the mother and for keeping the pregnancy. Okay. Now further embryonic development. Now what happens? After implantation, the inner mast cell differentiates into two layers. The outer layer is known as the ectoderm and the inner layer is known as the endoderm. Now what happens? The third layer, mesoderm, appears in between these two layers. Now these three layers give rise to organs or tissues in the blood in adults. Okay. Now what happens? The inner cell mass have certain cells also known as the stem cells. These stem cells have the potency to originate or to form the organs or tissues. Got it? Now I am going to tell you about the gestation. The human pregnancy lasts about the 9 months, for about 9 months. Got it? The period from implantation to the childbirth is known as gestation period. Got it? Now what happens? The fetus heart is formed after first month of pregnancy. It can be heard by the stethoscope. This is the first sign of growing fetus. Got it? Now in second month, the fetus develops limbs and digits. Got it? Now by the end of 12th week, that is first trimester, the fetus develop most of the organs and limbs and external genital area organs are formed. Got it? Now by the end of 24 weeks, that is second trimester, fine hairs are formed, eyelids separate and eyelashes are formed. Got it? By the end of 9th month, the fetus is fully developed and is ready for the delivery. Got it? That's all about the topic. I hope you all understood this topic. If you have any queries related to this topic, please let me know in my comment section. Thank you.